Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best honor is probably one of the most sought-after innovations for modern living, promising to revolutionize your daily routine with unparalleled efficiency and seamless integration. It's a game-changer that many are talking about, and today we're diving deep to see if it truly lives up to the hype and whether it's the right fit for your lifestyle needs. Number 5. Chemical Guys Microfiber Detergent 16 ounces. Are your microfiber towels, mitts, and pads looking dull and dirty? This specialized detergent is designed to bring them back to life. It's a concentrated cleaner that effectively lifts away embedded dirt, wax, and grease. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and grime. Not only does it clean, but it also restores the original softness of your microfiber. You won't even need a separate fabric softener. This formula is completely safe for all your microfiber items, ensuring their longevity. Plus, it leaves behind a refreshing orange scent. A little goes a long way with this concentrated solution. Just a small amount is enough to thoroughly clean your valuable detailing tools. Give your microfiber the care it deserves with this powerful detergent. Keep them performing their best for every wash. What we like. This specialized detergent is designed to rejuvenate your microfiber towels and pads. It effectively lifts embedded dirt, grease, and wax, restoring their original softness and absorbency. If you want to extend the life and performance of your detailing tools, this is an essential choice. What people say. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720E Drone with 4K Camera. This drone meets all FAA requirements, ensuring a safe and legal flying experience. You can easily obtain its remote ID module for full compliance. Capture breathtaking moments with its cutting-edge 4K camera, featuring electric image stabilization for blur-free videos. Equipped with an advanced Sony sensor, it delivers unmatched image quality in its class. Experience incredibly stable outdoor flights, thanks to its integrated air optical flow and pressure altitude control. With GPS and auto return to home, you can explore with confidence, knowing it will always find its way back. Elevate your adventures with an impressive 46 minutes of total flight time, provided by 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time soaring and less time recharging. A convenient carrying bag is also included for easy transport. Unlock your creativity with innovative flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It navigates effortlessly, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Enjoy powerful, stable, and virtually noiseless flights, thanks to its advanced brushless motors. This ensures an immersive experience without distractions, along with extended motor lifespan and minimal maintenance. What we like. Equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera and Sony sensor, this drone captures stunningly clear footage. Its user-friendly flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly make aerial photography accessible to all skill levels. If you are looking for a drone that combines professional-grade imaging with effortless control, this model is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax. Introducing Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax, the revolutionary way to clean your vehicle. This premium formula allows you to wash and wax your car in one easy step, without needing a hose or traditional rinsing. Just 1 ounce of this concentrate mixed with 2 gallons of water is enough to clean your entire car. It's perfect for cars, RVs, trucks, motorcycles, and more, making it your ultimate detailing solution. Experience a sleek and glossy finish every time. This product is formulated with carnauba wax for unsurpassed shine and protection, while unique polymers create a barrier against dirt and enhance your vehicle's paint. Wash and wax from the comfort of your garage, regardless of the weather outside. Since it requires no rinsing, you can keep your vehicle looking pristine all year round, even during off-season detailing. Be kind to the environment with this eco-friendly car wash. It uses minimal water, making it ideal for areas with water restrictions, and prevents soapy runoff from entering storm drains. This concentrated formula saves you time and effort by combining washing and waxing. It's also versatile, serving as a clay lubricant or quick detailer, offering incredible value in one bottle. What we like. This innovative formula allows you to wash and wax your vehicle in a single, convenient step. It's infused with carnauba wax, leaving a sleek, glossy finish and added protection. If you're in an area with water restrictions or prefer indoor detailing without rinsing, this product offers an eco-friendly and efficient solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 2. Optimum No Rinse V5 and Big Red Sponge Car Kit. Discover the perfect solution for a spotless vehicle. This kit combines two essential tools to make your car washing routine simple and effective. At its core is a revolutionary rinseless car wash. It allows you to clean your car without a hose, saving both time and water. This advanced formula safely lifts dirt and grime, preventing scratches. It leaves your vehicle with a brilliant, streak-free shine every time. Paired with the wash is the specially designed Big Red Sponge. Its unique texture works perfectly to maximize cleaning efficiency and protect your paint. Together, these components provide an easy and efficient way to detail your car. You'll achieve professional-level results right at home. What we like. This kit provides the original rinseless wash formula along with the Big Red Sponge for a scratch-free experience. Its unique polymers encapsulate dirt, protecting your paint while cleaning effectively. If you value a safe, efficient, and comprehensive rinseless washing system that minimizes marring, this bundled solution is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the requirements. Number 1. Hanes Men's Ultimate Sweatshirt. Discover the perfect blend of warmth and style with our Ultimate Sweatshirt. It's designed for everyday comfort and lasting quality. Crafted from a premium heavyweight fleece, this garment provides exceptional warmth. You'll stay cozy and comfortable even on the chilliest days. Featuring a timeless crewneck pullover design, it offers a relaxed fit for easy layering. This classic look is versatile for any casual occasion. Engineered for durability, this sweatshirt maintains its shape and softness wash after wash. It's a reliable addition to your wardrobe that stands the test of time. An essential for every man's wardrobe, it's perfect for lounging, errands, or casual outings. Experience the ultimate in comfort and effortless style. What we like. This heavyweight fleece sweatshirt offers exceptional warmth and comfort for cooler weather. Its classic crewneck design provides a versatile and timeless look suitable for various casual occasions. If you're seeking a durable, cozy, and reliable staple for your everyday wardrobe, this pullover delivers on both quality and comfort. What people say. No reviews found in the source content. No reviews found in the source content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.